Hvad kan du godt lide på din pizza?
Salami.
Salami. Ja.
Okay, we promise you explanation why Casper doesn't like Italian food. Being with an Italian girl. Now, tell us about.
And it's not about that I don't like it. It's super comforting food. You can always eat it. I think it's mostly coming back to that just highly overrated. Everyone loves Italian food. I also think it's fine, but for me there's nothing extra in Italian food. It's amazing good carbs, amazing good cheeses and different meats, but not a lot of spices and thus not a lot of flavor, right? We say spices is flavor.
Basically, he like to burn his tongue and for not saying anything else that he need to burn. Papa piace il chili. But in Italy we have a lot of salami that are super spicy. Super.
It's not Asian spicy, right? It's like you taste that it's tasting of more, and that's good. But it's kind of standing alone. It's not in a combination with a full dish. So ingredients are amazing. You get much better and more fresh and local vegetables, etc. A lot of places in Italy than in Denmark. But if you don't cook them together, hvad kan du godt lide på din pizza?
Salami.
Salami. Ja.